A simple zoom effect can make your videos look more professional, and it's really easy to do in Capcut. Open the Capcut app and tap New Project or New Video. Now select the video you want to edit and tap Add. Once your video appears on timeline, tap on the video clip. To create a simple zoom effect, place the white playhead where you want the zoom to begin. Now tap keyframe the small diamond icon. After that, move the playhead a few seconds forward. Use two fingers on the screen to zoom into part of the video you want to focus on. Capcut will automatically create the zoom effect between the 2 points. Play the video once to preview it.
I think that's the Empire State Building, honey.
Wow, it's bigger.
If the zoom feels too fast, move the keyframe further to make it smoother. Once everything looks good, tap export in top right corner and save your video.